What's up? Y'all know the vibes. I am taking down my cousin's hair, and look, it still looks good, but I'm going to show you guys how to properly remove it. And also, I'm going to go into more detail about hair type, texture, and density, because it's super important whenever you're installing braids or locks. But look at her new growth. Look at it. Y'all see it? Anyways, you're going to need this little rubber band popper. I did not use scissors. Now you're going to twist it the opposite way of however your stylist installed it. You're going to look for the little piece of like synthetic hair I'm going to show you guys. And I just cut that little piece. You unravel it and it's going to show the top part of the braid. Do not cut anymore. Make sure you go in there and pull out that whole braid or twist or whatever. And then once you have a full visual of the hair, then you can go back and you can cut the rest of the extension. This is how you will prevent cutting your hair or your client's hair. Super easy. Look at it, she's flourishing. So that's the mistake that you guys been making. I know, because I did it myself, so I hope this helps.